My brothers and my sisters, after all mankind are dead, and then every mankind was risen, they get up as if they were just dead only for 1 minute or 2 minutes. For the people who did good deeds felt that the day of resurrection was very, very short coming. But for the wrongdoer, feel that the day of resurrection is very, very long time. They feel about 50,000 years. Many think it is about 100,000 years, 150 years, 150,000 years. They felt suffering, a lot of trouble, miseries, and unexpected sorrow and trouble they are facing. At that time, they remember the warning from their prophets, from the people who know about the knowledge of the God, the wishes of the God. And then they tell them about the warnings from the God. Just like the sounds from the heaven, from the sky is what you hear. But the mankind here to die some time ago, they guess they were the sound of trumpets. No, not at all. They were not the sounds of trumpets, because the sounds of trumpet hasn't come yet, hasn't been blown. If it is once only blown by the angel of Israfil, everybody is trembling, terrified, worried, frightened, and then come out of their houses. But the sounds from the heaven, from the skies, that they hear to die, the days before, only the warning, just like thundering, you often hear that there is most superpower that masters the whole universe up there. Above the heaven, His kingdom, His king mastering all mankind, all the universe and everything. So the sounds only warning mankind to remove, who should never study about the power, superpower of Allah. Allah the one God, no other God than Allah, never ending, never died, and has never died and will never die until the never-ending time. He doesn't have any children, he doesn't have any wife, and it's not begotten. He requests angels to give the sounds as if it were the trumpet sound, to remind mankind that the day of judgment is suddenly coming soon. Nearly, surely, precisely coming in a very short time, on one Friday. This has been told by the Prophet Muhammad as the last prophet, the last messenger of Allah, that had to tell, to deliver the prophecy, the job of prophets to all mankind, because Muhammad was elected, was sent for all mankind in the world, including genies. Not only for Asia, but all people in the continents, 5 continents, the whole universe, in Jane, have to follow Muhammad. Otherwise, Allah would say to the people who do not believe in the lesson from Muhammad, disbelievers. Remember the sounds from the skies anywhere you hear. They sound alike to remind you that the day of resurrection is nearly coming. On one Friday, you never expect it coming, but it is surely coming as the promise of the God, Allah, that the day of judgment will be coming, even to unbelievers do not believe in the existence of the doomsday, the end of the day. So therefore, my beloved brothers and sisters, try to think about this warning from the sky from Allah, because of the mercy of the grace of love from Allah. Before you die, before you are dead, before the death comes to you, try to read the Quran as the guidebook for you, for me, for everyone, and follow Muhammad. What Muhammad did are the examples for us if we want to be happy here and in the hereafter.